Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
What's going on, one and all? Welcome back to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast. The podcast all about motivating and inspiring you towards living your life on a much higher level. This is your 1 minute of motivation for today, and here is your quote. Don't worry about failures. Worry about the chances you miss when you didn't even try. Failing. People are scared of it because it's so negative. You need to take every opportunity you can out there. Every failure is just one more way of something not working this time round, but it also gives you the lesson for your next attempt. Enjoy and learn from the journey you take, with the great failures there to make your adventure even better.
That was your 1 minute